Shahada. The Shahada is the declaration of faith, and it states that there is no God but Allah and that Muhammad is his messenger. It is the foundation of Islam, marking the entry point into the faith. These words are simple, yet they carry deep meaning, affirming belief in one God and acceptance of the final prophet. From the earliest days of Islam in 7th century Arabia, this declaration distinguished Muslims from surrounding beliefs and united them under a single creed. It is repeated in daily prayers and heard in the call to prayer, reminding believers of the core of their faith. Salah. Salah refers to the 5 daily prayers performed at specific times throughout the day. These prayers create a structured rhythm, connecting a Muslim to God from dawn until night. Each prayer includes physical movements like standing, bowing, and prostrating, combined with recitation from the Quran. The practice began during the lifetime of the Prophet Muhammad and was established as a direct command, making it central to daily life. It serves both as a spiritual pause and a form of discipline, grounding the believer regardless of where they are. Zakat. Zakat is the obligation to give a portion of one's wealth to those in need, usually calculated as a fixed percentage of savings. It is not seen as charity alone, but as a right that others have over one's wealth. This practice ensures a balance within society, reducing inequality and supporting vulnerable groups. Historically, it was collected and distributed within Muslim communities under organized systems. Today, many individuals give it directly, especially during Ramadan, reinforcing social responsibility and compassion. Sawm. Sawm is the fasting observed during the month of Ramadan, from dawn until sunset. During this time, Muslims abstain from food, drink, and other physical needs, focusing instead on spiritual growth. The fast is broken each evening with a meal, often shared with family or community. Ramadan commemorates the first revelation of the Quran, giving the month deep significance. Beyond physical restraint, it encourages self-control, empathy for those less fortunate, and a renewed awareness of one's actions. Hajj. Hajj is the pilgrimage to Mecca that every Muslim who is physically and financially able must perform at least once in their lifetime. It takes place during specific days of the Islamic calendar and brings together millions of people from around the world. The rituals follow the actions of the Prophet Ibrahim and his family, symbolizing devotion, sacrifice, and unity. Pilgrims wear simple garments, removing visible differences of status or background. The experience is both deeply personal and collectively powerful, marking a significant spiritual milestone in a Muslim's life.